trees up there, the tallest in the world, beautiful countryside there. I'm not doing a hike, I'm just gonna hang around. I'm already a little winded just coming up here. We have to go a little further up this trail to the coffee house, and then I can meander around. And well, I better get some videos here before some clouds rolling in, and get on the other side there to look at some of these things with the, go over look at the Jeep and the sign and whatnot here. All right. I'm out in front of the Willis Jeep. It's December 22nd, 2024. I'm here at Cocora, and I'm saying hi to all my YouTube fans out there. I'm going around the world for you here. We got all kind of Willis Jeeps here, and people are having a good time. We might get a little rain later, but anyhow, we're going to see more sights. But I want to thank everybody. All right, bye-bye. Well, actually, there's a lot to see here. Since I didn't go on a hike, we're over 8,000 feet, so I thought it best I not do the hike because it was kind of steep. So we're just looking around here and checking out. Look at the beautiful gardens they have here. It's all very nice. They got some statues up here. So yeah, we're moving up here, a little bridge. There's the sign Cocora up at the top there. There's a bunch of people up there now. It's a little hard to see, but it says Cocora. It looks like a little rain coming in. Sun was out earlier, but it's going behind the clouds now here. So sign says something rather here. Oh, here we go. In the Cocora Valley lived an indigenous princess of incomparable beauty, in love with a brave warrior from a rival tribe. Their love sparked conflicts. Hey, I know about that. They decided to flee together, taking refuge among the towering wax palms. There they promised to love each other eternally. Some say their love transformed them into two intertwined trees, symbolizing their eternal union in the heart of the Cocora Valley. Oh, very nice here. Look at this up here. So, we got the big statue up here. We got the statue. This must be the princess here. And they got this big statue. It's a beautiful statue. She's looking up to all the palms up at the top there. And you got this hand here of the lady. And right here you got this hand holding up, it looks like a parrot up at the top there. So yeah, very nice. Look at her here. We come around the other side, and there she is there. Look at that big image of it coming up there. Yeah, all right. And there's the Cocora sign over there. You can see with the flag, and there's like a vulture on top with the big wide wingspan. Right on the top of that, we got the flag. Like I said, we might have a little rain coming in here. It's getting darker and cooler, and might have to dig out the old rain jacket here. So maybe I'm glad I didn't go on the hike here. I don't know here, but yeah, the statue's right in back of me here, and nice, beautiful area here. Today is December 22nd, 2004. So it's almost Christmas time. I say Merry Christmas to all my fans out there. Hope you're all having beautiful, peaceful Christmas wherever you are in all the different countries. So yeah, I'm just going to do a little move around here, do a little 360 here. I'm on a slant, so I hope I don't fall. And yeah, coming around here. Okay, there we go. Okay, right. We got people on horses going up there. Well, you can do horseback too if you want. And all the beautiful palms up there. Well, just a little scan of the area here. We were just up here by the statue up there. Got some pictures with some local people that were really nice to me there. Everybody's very nice here. They don't mind if I get a picture with them. And so like I say, I was here. Look at those dark clouds coming in up at the top there and everything. And there's our flag up there, Cocora, and the Jeep was up there, and we got some llamas up there. There were a few horses. There's a little thing you can climb through. I don't know if you can see it up there for like kids or something. That's a little steep for me to climb up there. That looks like some sheep or goats up here, and you can see the trail if you want to hike up there. Yeah, no thank you. But these real tall palms here, look at that. Yeah, all right. Okay, maybe I'll find a bench, take a rest here. Well, today I'm at Cocora. I'm right in front of the sign here. We're going to walk down past the sign here and everything so you can see it. And there's all kind of people out here that are coming in here. They're going to have their photos taken, but I'm walking in front of the sign and you can see I'm having a great time here and everything. And there's the sign, so we're there. And there's all the people out there. It's going to wave to me maybe here. Hey, I got a wave. All right, thank you there. Okay. We got a horse here. He's right in back of me here. We got a horse here. So I'm saying he's right here. So he's not going to talk to me, I don't think, here, but it's nice. He's peaceful. He's looking at me. He's wondering, who's this guy? He's from the United States. He's a gringo here. He's not like all the other ones here. So there he is. All right, we're going to come by here, see how he is. He's a nice looking pony, not too big, very quiet. And there were there's other animals up there, llamas, a cow. Thought there were some goats or something. But all right, Mr. Horse, you want to say anything? So how's life as a horse? Oh, it's pretty good, I think. Thank you. Well, we're starting to get a little fine mist of rain, so I might have to head back down to the bus here, but there's nobody here by the Cocora sign. And there's the old vulture up there and the flag. So here we have, yeah, the whole sign here. Cocora. Yeah, there we go. That's where we're at. In this park. There's the Jeep over there. And we come down here, all animals up there and trails. The statue down there, the mountainsides here and everything, and down there is where we start, and the parking lot is down at the other end then. So okay, I'm right here by the sign, Cocora, right on the back of me here. See that? There it is. Remember, if you're a subscriber or if you're not a subscriber, I'd be happy to have you here because I'd like to get to 1,000 subscribers. That'd be really neat here. But all right, my friends, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Well, I'm going to start walking back down to the bus, but there's one more spot over here with the parrots we haven't seen yet. And I had to put my shirt on because it's starting to get a little cool. So I'm going to try to go down here, picking them up, putting them down for one-man travel, going slanty down the hill here. You have good traction on the shoes here. All the beautiful things. Look at these all different plants and everything here. All beautiful colors. There's the folks on horseback there. So he's doing good. He's leaning back as they're going down. So that's the proper way to do it, I believe. So yeah, I'm going to come over here to the parrots here. Might have to change your battery, but this one's holding up pretty good so far. All right, bye-bye. Bosque de Palmas, Park Natural Bosque de Palmas, the Valley of Cocora is what it says. Here's a parrot. Lighting's not the greatest here. We got the flag in the back there. I'm on a very slanty hill here, so I hope I don't fall down. But yeah, there's the parrots there. And I'm actually going to stand around here on this side here, if I can get up in here with the parrots. Yeah, there I am. See, there's the parrots on top of me there on both sides. A little winded, had to climb up this little hill here, but winding down. We're still going to be here at Christmas time in Colombia, which is where I am now. And yeah, everybody recognized me with the old hat, the old orange shirt. Had this for a long time here. And yeah, so here we go. Maybe I can get a few happy snaps of this area here too. Okay, bye-bye. So there's where we were, up by the statues. We had coffee up on the hill. Come down here by the parrots. I'm by myself, so there's nobody here to help me out like on some other folks on videos where they got two people. I gotta do all this myself here, but a little early to walk down, but I'm not going to walk back up now that I'm down here. So I'm going to go look. Oh, there's a bear over there. I want to go see the bear. Okay. Well, we got a bunch of different animals. There's a tiger or something up there. We got a deer here. And around here, there's a bear. We're going to go find him here. So here he is. This is Mr. Bear. Let's see if he can talk here. Mr. Bear, do you have anything to say? Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough there, my friends. I don't want to have anything. I don't want to take a bite out of me or anything here. So, okay, there you go. I'm going to go on the swing here. There's a swing right in back of me here. So I'm going to do an adult swing here to see if I can go on it. It doesn't swing very far, but swing a little bit here. But it's mainly for photos, what you can see on both sides here. So a little bit of a swing. It's tied to the ground, so people can't really swing on it here. But it's still pretty neat. So we're going to come back and we're going to walk away from it and take a little look. And there was the swing. Yeah, that's it right there. See, it's tied to the bottom, so you really can't swing. It's more of a photo op there mainly. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, here's a shot just of the whole area. We started here. You can walk up, had some coffee up there. One of our group bought us coffee, which is very nice of them. Thank you, Sherman. And I went up to the sign. There's some other stuff behind the trees. The animals were here, the swing. Somebody saw me there by myself and came over and took some photos of me. I hope they turn out good. And some flowers. And I just had to walk downhill to the bus. I'm not going to go back up. It's about that time here anyhow. Okay. Well, there's a guy trimming bushes in the background there. So I don't know how close I can get here to this flower guy here, but there's more up here. Oh, we'll take it with the animals in the background. Disregard that buzzing sound. He's trimming the shrubs in the back. What else can I do here? I'm doing the best that I can here, you know that. Always for my fans and potential fans here also. All right, there's part of the trail that I just came down, and everybody having a good old time. Beautiful lawn. Like, I don't know if they cut this or not, but the grass is holding up well. Well, I guess it's cool and they get a good amount of rain, so no problema. Okay, bye-bye. And we got horses that are coming down here. There's a guy leading the horses. They're going back up the trail there, so all right, that's the way to do it there on the horse, but didn't have enough time. And there's a sign, the park sign here. Make sure I'm not in traffic here. And we'll come over here and take a look at the sign. Cocora.